Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch game. First, clearly define your game's core concept. Decide if players will draw objects, complete pictures, or guess drawings. Consider your target audience, whether it is children or adults, to tailor the difficulty. Next, select a development platform like Unity or a web framework. Finally, outline the main gameplay loop, including how players will draw, submit, and receive feedback. This foundational planning is crucial for a smooth development process. Now, let's focus on the drawing mechanics. You will need to implement a responsive canvas where players can freely sketch. Offer a variety of drawing tools, such as different brush sizes, a palette of at least 8 distinct colors, and an eraser. Ensure the input methods are intuitive, whether using a mouse, touch screen, or stylus. Smooth drawing is key to player engagement, so optimize for minimal latency. Consider features like undo and redo for a better user experience. Next, we tackle the game logic and scoring. Develop a system for presenting drawing challenges, perhaps from a list of 100 unique prompts. Implement a scoring mechanism that rewards accuracy, speed, or creativity. For example, players might earn up to 1,000 points per round. Consider integrating artificial intelligence for drawing recognition or a system for peer-to-peer judging. Clear rules and transparent scoring keep players motivated and invested in the game. Finally, focus on the user experience and polishing your game. Design a clear and engaging user interface that guides players seamlessly through the game. Provide immediate and helpful feedback, such as correct or try again after each drawing submission. Thoroughly test your game with at least 20 different users to identify any bugs or areas for improvement. Iterate on your design based on this feedback, aiming for a polished and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.